All right. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning to another little morning stream, a big morning stream. If you're new here in the morning, we come in, we outline the price action, see what price did, see what price can do going into the New York session. So let's get into it, see what we have here. We'll start on the 4 hour. If we were looking, this is already outlined inside the paper trader, so if you're in there, congratulations. But the 4 we're currently looking inside this gap, and we're looking at the way that price has held this previous weekly high, and you can see that we had a bit of a displacement here through that. So if this 4 hour close, we might look for a retrace into that and then continuation to the downside. But these two levels are important. Those are the ones that we're going to be watching going into the session, that previous weekly high and that Sunday opening price level. Important on the hourly. Take a look here. So we were looking at this previous daily low and how price is going to react there. So over here, we want to see and make sure that price is, if we were looking for a continued downside, we're looking at this previous daily low, possibility of that gap fill, right? We want price to remain below this previous daily low if we're looking for a continuation to the downside. If we get back above this previous daily low, then there's a good chance we can do an outside day, right? Tuesdays are known for, my goodness. Let me turn this down a little bit more. Tuesdays are typically known for their, what's the word am I trying to say? For the trend days, right? So, oh, Mr. Haste is in the house too. Tuesdays are known for their, let me hop into Discord. Tuesdays are known for their continuation, their trend days. So we're going to be watching around this previous daily low and how price is interacting with that. Right, like I said, if it keeps below it, then obviously we might see that continuation to the gap fill of that 25.599.25. If not, then there's a good chance we can reverse to the upside and see that previous daily high. But for us to get that previous daily high, we'll need to get through this previous daily 50%. So that's what we're going to be watching here. Otherwise, these two levels, that Sunday open at 25.628.25, the Sunday, this previous weekly high over at 25.668 is another one that we're going to be watching as well. Which actually, let me move this price over here. 25.668. 25.668. 668.25 was it? No, just 668. Okay. 25.668. There we go. Okay, so that's what we're going to be watching here. Where did that, what the fuck did I just do? There we go. So that's what we're going to be watching here. Seeing what price is doing. Seeing what we can do. Other than that, that will end my music step. It's like, what the fuck? Huh?
I was gonna say, yeah, we're just inside month.
Yeah. Inside month right now.
Yep. Just with 8 days left, I feel like they probably just keep it inside.
Yeah. Watching for possibly, maybe let's see what they do if they sweep this previous hourly low. Maybe they'll want to give us a outside hour, but like I said, we're looking for this. This is not the previous weekly high. This is the continuous chart, so that previous weekly high is not correct. Just a heads up to everyone that is watching.
Notice ES swept previous month high. But I didn't.
Yeah. Good old ETH. There's a volume imbalance here on the 5-minute. Blunt top. VI. Yeah, there's, if we look on like a zoomed in 15-minute, there's some liquidity on the downside, right? But for that, like we said, we need to get through this weekly gap, and then we can see that continuation to the downside. But we're battling this 12-hour level right now at 25.620.75. So we're just watching how price is interacting with these levels and seeing what reactions we're going to see out of them. Nothing crazy, just level to level right now. Seeing what we can do going into this session. Tomorrow's a half day, so there's going to be no stream. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I don't trade half days. It's not worth it to me, at least. Let's see. You can fight setups in any kind of price, but to me, I like to see a full day's worth of price action. We already had news this morning as well at 8:30 Eastern. That already came out. We have another consumer confidence coming out at 10 Eastern, so 30 minutes after market opens up. Tomorrow we got unemployment claims, and then nothing, no more news after today.
Yeah, it's like what you just said. There's always opportunity for every trader sees something different, but when you start journaling and you start recognizing patterns, you realize which days you should trade.
Yep.
And like for me, I know going into the end of the year, I know what happened last year and the year before that, so I'm just going off that. That's all I have.
Yeah. Exactly. It's constant data collection that is happening here. So if you're a data driven person, trading is good, but all it comes down to just like seeing and believing and making decisions based on the data that you have collected. It's almost like right, people like to say that it's gambling and whatnot, but at the end of the day, it's like making an educated guess, more or less, is where I would put this at.
As long as you don't let your emotions get
Yeah. It's like, well, this is my data. This is what I have observed. This is what I have collected so far, and this is what I'm gonna go off of. Right? There's nothing else to it except for that part of it.
and it's like never ending collection process.
Mm-hmm.
Always changing.
Yeah. It's a constant. It's a constant. Like, you have some variables, right? Like, I try to think of a good example here. Like, if you're if you've taken like a science course, or if you've got like a fucking engineering degree or whatever, it's always data collection, right? In a certain experiment, you have your constants, right? So whatever you might want to put as your constant here, like maybe your emotions, right? You want to keep those at a constant kind of thing, and then everything else comes from the observation. So your emotions, right? Your emotions initially, you do want to keep them. You want to collect data on those too, just to see how you're reacting, see what's happening, see what triggers you, right? And then from there, you keep those at a constant, and then you move on to price and seeing, okay, this is what price is doing. This is what it's done in the past. So what can it do now? And it's kind of just observing and seeing what is happening here on the charts. That's why, like I said, half days typically in the past for me have not been the best. So that's why I'm staying away from them. I'm not gonna go here and know that I'm gonna fuck up. I'm not gonna put myself in front of a moving train when I know it's coming, kind of thing. Crypto's still looking like ass. Nothing. And then just waiting to see how they want to close some of these. There's that Aleo monthly rejection too. Talked about it last night. So the price can't get through that, then there's a good chance that we will reverse.
Possibly 4 hours.
Which one? Sorry.
ICP.
ICP.
4 hours, but
Yeah. Still can't hold this daily CISD. That's my only thing. Previous daily low sweep is nice, but yeah, 4 hour does look decent with that SFP.
yeah, off the 705 and like that little 4 hour open.
Yeah.
Maybe.
But then it's like, you look at the monthly, it's like, this thing is fucking ugly. Holding the CISD, but nothing.
It would just be like a pop, 50-cent pop up and then buy again, probably.
Yeah.
I don't literally see quite any, like literally any
Yeah, stocks are kind of outperforming right now.
So, yeah, flip through your monthly chart on your stock. You find something that looks good on the month, ends with a close strong. Like you pretty much know what direction it's headed.
Mm-hmm. What the fuck do I want to do on this?
Wish you could sort on TradingView like by pre-market gains.
Good sort.
Yeah, like your like my stock list. I wish it would like update the change percent with the pre-market.
Oh, yeah, you can. You can just press the 3 dots on there and then put extended hours on it.
Oh hell yeah!
Yeah, and then click to sort by extended.
That's really cool.
Huh?
Gold on a fucking hair.
Gold.
Yeah, it's nuts.
There you go. Rivian pre-market. Oh, see, Rivian rejecting at 50%. So it's volume imbalance right now. On the weekly, it's a previous weekly high sweep. So Rivian could see maybe a little bit of a pullback. Trimmed some position on it too the other day. It's like half of my shit. It's just
Yeah, I'm out of it. I'm out of Ford. I just cannot. Too much capital to make not very much money. It's just not
is
worth
it
it.
out of Ford?
Yeah. I'm just not a boomer trader like that. You want to put like your kid's fucking retirement fund in something? Probably Ford. I don't got time like that.
Oh man, yeah, Ford is a slow cooker.
Make $500 off $5 grand in 4 months. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I need somebody that would trade Ford options and then would buy like a fuck ton of them because just like a 50-cent move would raise them, and it's like they would buy like fucking pennies on it. You know, and obviously return on your investment for that is quite fucking large, given that.
I'd rather trade silver. Silver and Ford trade the same.
It's an interesting analogy.
Dude,
So,
Netflix is destroyed.
dog assed.
Monthly CISD level here. If they do want to bounce it.
Netflix 786 there. Nah, weekly one's lower. This
Like fucking 75.
would be awesome. Yeah, weekly.
Garbage company.
Yeah, monthly still got lower. I think there's.
Ooh, and then I wonder if that Spotify news is gonna fuck this chart up. The Spotify leak.
Mm-hmm. No, pre-market's fine. I feel like they would have crashed in the pre-market.
So tweet said it'd be awesome if someone figured out like an app that you could play all the downloaded songs off of.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Spotify.
300 terabytes is a fuck ton of shit, though.
Like Spotify for free, basically.
So SoundCloud.
For free.
Royalty free.
High quality.
Mm-hmm. Let's see what they do here on.
Like CME, but like that falling 35.
It's CMG.
Yeah. Kind of like what we talked about. Like you can trade anything, but like I hate this company so much that it just makes me like not believe in the chart.
Mm-hmm. That's why I don't trade mRNA, J&J, anything that has to do with all the fucking COVID shit. I'm not trading that. I don't give a fuck how good the chart looks. I don't want to put my money in those companies. And the same thing, like, right, some people don't believe in war, so they don't trade fucking Lockheed and whatever war stocks, but it's like,
Not even like like that. It's just the confidence in the chart.
mm-hmm. Yeah. LMT market. Yeah, LMT, like I said, would need to see a continuation through that previous, this little weekly wick for a continuation to the upside. So we want to see on her.
Just quite nothing like a monthly liquidity sweep on a stock.
Mm-hmm.
Literally just what drives everything. Like that FSLR sweep on the bottom.
Yeah. That's when you buy fucking commons.
So I do still incorporate a lot of like the strat stuff into my trading because those broadening formations, they do exist. I see them all the time.
Yep. Yeah. If it works, it works. Like,
It
there's
works.
no,
Yep.
there's no like doubt about it. It's just waiting for those things to happen. That's the biggest thing.
BLTR, maybe like shortable.
Mm-hmm.
Off that 786.
Oof, that day yesterday was ugly. DLTR, GNG. To see, this one was the one that I wanted to see shorts on. As long as the CSD holds, we can continue, but the CSD breaks, we'll continue to the downside on GNG. John.
He talked about Aqua the other day. That one does look so good if it can get above this quarterly open.
Yeah.
He wants to go.
Yeah, it just needs to get through this SFB, hit the price target that I want it to reverse out of, but still weekly needs through CSD, monthly. So I'm thinking next month is when they can do something, like next quarter. Next quarterly open is when we'll see some movement on her. I'm just kind of not doing anything with it right now. Just waiting for it to open up into next month. See, majority of these is like I have them outlined and just have price targets that I'm waiting on.
Go through your charts, set your levels, just wait.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we're at.
Not touching shit till then.
And if that's hard to do, then trading might not be.
Yeah.
have to trade every day. You're like shaking at the
Mhm.
shaking in your boots.
Yeah. Oh, shiver me timbers, mate. Shiver me timbers.
Even great day traders don't trade every day.
Mhm. Yeah, it's one of the things that when I was doing like the rocket scooter stuff that Matt was talking about, the owner of Rocket Scooter, which if you guys are not familiar, go check it out. It's a great guy, great trading. But basically, he says you should treat it like trading like work. If you don't need to, you should find every reason not to work on the day. Like, well, nope, I'm not going into work today. I'm calling out sick. I'm not going into work. Right? It's the same concept here. Like, oh, no, I don't need to work today. Right.
I made $150. I'm good. Good at that. Don't need to work anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
I still just love all these financials too. That's like the only thing I really love.
Mm-hmm.
So it probably goes straight to all-time high on this next monthly candle.
And which one?
Like Visa.
I'm taking a look at this one. Visa. What the fuck?
The monthly. As long as it can just close strong. I think
Yeah,
this next
nice. Yeah.
just expand.
Yeah, this did have a nice break of this consolidation here, or this trend.
But still, those are just continuation plays.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing crazy. Wow, that actually looks horrible on the monthly.
Good.
Yeah, possibly short this into the new year.
I talked about Meta. I wanted to take shorts on it.
Big ol' FBG rejection.
Meta. Yeah. Weekly retest of that. CISD. Yeah.
Back down to 370, 380. Retest that old high breakout.
Yeah. At least, actually, yeah, that, what is this? 435. Yeah, 350 is like a OT of that big old range on the monthly.
That 380, like old highs right above it.
358. Yeah, 380s wouldn't be bad on on it. Of this thing. What's full ranges on this thing?
Have a monthly, but maybe next month.
Hmm.
Baba.
Papa. Yeah, tap to 50% of that. Still below the 200. Inside week. Next month could give us something, but this month not taking jack shit.
Oh, he don't want to trade China.
Not taking any new positions going into the next month.
Nope. That too, I just realized I'm a fucking swing trader. And if there's no swings, not for me.
Yeah. It's like, especially, yeah. Yeah, I found that too. Like, NQ, I can trade on the 5-minute, but everything else, like crypto, I can't do. Can't do those 4 hours. Maybe for entries, but looking at the 4 hour and taking, at least for right now, given that can't be at the charts all day. But at the same time, it's like, you shouldn't be at the charts all day.
No, I don't want to be at the charts all day.
Although I love it. Unlimited screen time. Unlimited fucking screen time. So you're seeing a bit of a pop on Qs right now.
Yo, I told you that thing's a piece of shit. I think anything will trade to worse than CLX.
CLX said it's a piece of shit.
Yep. tried lucid trading?
Mm-mm.
It's pretty decent.
Stayed with Elite Trader and what is this one? Tradeify.
Yeah, Tradeify looks good.
Yeah.
Cops that fucking shit that's bad.
Mm-hmm.
So bad. So sad for someone that's like leaders and then just shit the bed for no fucking reason.
Yeah. Decided to go their own way, and now they're fucking.
They had to squeeze everybody.
Mm-hmm. Now they're fucking up.
I like my fund did too. They were always
Mm-hmm.
never
Yeah.
had any problems with them.
Not bad. Let's see if you just wanna.
Chart, bro. Just a barcode fucking.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, up above.
Yeah, for the last fucking
Yeah.
2 months.
Holding that previous weekly high. Okay, I got a few seconds till market opens up.
Happy to open.
Let's see what we do out here in the open. What's that rush to the upside? See if that volume imbalance. That, like we were talking about, right? If we hold above that previous daily low, there's a good chance we can see a continuation to the upside.
There goes a piece of punk.
Nice fucking boner. Let me clear this 4 hour into the previous day 50 through previous day 50 now.
That hourly looks wicked.
Yep.
4 hour too. 4 hours nice.
That 5 minutes is insane. Cheapers.
The 1 minute is insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 hours clean as fuck if they can close this 4 hour above like 25,746.
Yeah.
Very nice dip into the weekly open and that imbalance. Bitcoin's just so flat. Like a wet fucking hot dog, uncooked. Bitcoin's like a wet, uncooked hot dog.
Yep. Swap some good liquidities, rejecting that 12-hour. Minute SFP.
Yeah, this whole thing is just engineered liquidity both sides.
Mm-hmm.
I remember one night in September, lying on our backs under the moon. You told me that nothing lasts forever, but I was too busy falling for you.
This bitch.
But I should have listened, 'cause now I'm here missing you, wishing that you were here. Oh, starlight, can you shine a light? I need you by my side. It's dark out there tonight. Oh, starlight, someday somewhere far, when we're not worlds apart, I hold you in my arms. But until I can see you again, I'm wishing on stars.
Here.
I can blame the whole thing on bad timing. Turn back all the clocks to yesteryear. I can try to find the silver lining, but all the
So we got the Asian high above.
without you near. But I should have listened, 'cause now I'm here missing you, wishing that you were here. Oh, starlight, can you shine a light? I need you by my side. It's dark out there tonight. Oh, starlight, someday somewhere far, when we're not worlds apart, I hold you in my arms. But until I can see you again, I'm wishing on stars.
Let's see what they want to do on this bitch here.
Tell me, do you still crave my touch? Or do you long for something new?
6, 8, 7, 75, 25, 6, 75. And now swap these. So I close this 15-minute. On which one? Oh. Let's see. Your mic on mute, by the way. Your mic on mute. It's like, why can't I hear you clearly?
No visa.
What the fuck is LMT doing? LMT Safari rejection, MA, MasterCard cooking up still. Looking good. They do out here. NQ, possible retest of this midnight open at 25, 687.75. So I'll be watching to see what they do out there.
Yeah, they close this 4 hours.
15 minutes still. Currently 2 minutes left in the candle. Yeah, this 1 minute was fucking nutty. The fuck, 300 tickles.
Big boy. Here we go.
Mm-hmm. CNG sweep of that previous 15-minute.
I need you to feel me slowly, make me see what you see. Wanna be the only one who makes your heart beat. 'Cause this world's so lonely, right here is where we should be. Baby, hold me closely, show me what we could be.
CNQ.
Someone who listens when I call, and you do it the right way. Can't fade it all. You're the one I've been missing, right to a fall. I think our souls are one, built from the same cloth. I need you to feel me slowly, make me see what you see. Wanna be the
1 minute SFP.
one who makes your heart beat. 'Cause this world's so lonely, right here is where we should be. Baby, hold me closely, show me what we could be. I need you to feel me slowly, make me see what you see. Wanna be the only one who makes your heart beat. 'Cause this
So patient session high.
here is where we should be. Baby, hold me closely, show me what we could be.
Patient session high here. In 5 minutes, still cooking up. Receiver.
I need a moment of silence for niggas that tried, but they couldn't check me. Too busy getting a bag, I'm looking for stacks, I'm riding down Beverly. Yeah, the gossip ain't messy, the watches are pricey, the crib is heavenly. And none of these niggas can mess with me, none of these niggas can mess with me. Yeah, true believe what a bezel be, looking like I be embezzling. Whoa, yeah, fucking with me could be messy, my G just consider it heavily. Yeah, niggas be settling, niggas be softer than powder for
See 5 minute, we need to close back below that Asian session if we're looking for reversal, but above 50% now. So let's see what they want to do out here on this in this next 10 minutes. T 5 minute SFB so far. So if they hold below this closing price, be a small retrace. probably done on the day here, honestly. So we got our outline in, got everything. Not, yeah, probably do it. Close it out here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. As always, it's a pleasure. Make sure you go check out Mr. Hazed. 3,000 followers for him. We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway for the paper traders. 2,000 followers for me. I'll quit my job. Tell them peace out in a Trump voice. And we'll live stream it. Other than that, they'll do it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one.